In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can remove all the page break from your Microsoft Excel file. Here you can see some page break here. Here you can see one of them is this and one of them is this and one of them is this. And if we want to remove this page break from our file, we just need to enter our cursor the right side of our page break. Then we just need to go to the page layout tab. Then you will see an option which is breaks. Click there, and here is an option which is remove page breaks. Click there. Look, our manually inserted page break has been removed. Now here there is another page break, and there is another option how you can remove all the page break which was inserted manually in your file. Just one click. Which is this? Just go to the page layout, then again breaks, then reset all the page breaks. Click there, and it will remove all the manually inserted page breaks from your file. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching the video.